on a dating site 3 years ago, and it came pretty well. We talked, we discussed, we hit it off pretty good. Idea or no clue, but the demons that she had hiding inside of her to do scam and doing other different things like that. After we got married, things would start changing slowly. The phone calls, the disappearing act, and a lot of other different things. And she always claimed she was busy. Something wrong with the internet. It was always something. And everything. Found out the land was a scam, the house was a scam, and as of the traditional wedding supposed to happen last Saturday on the 22nd, it did not happen. So that was a scam too.
Omukyala gwa Shanita.
Shanita.
Enamba yonjije ku ndagaano ye.
Ku ndagaano ye.
Kuliko basali property consultant yenna kuliko enamba yo. Kuliko n'enamba ye MTN.
Nze ndowoozaamu kubanga abo basali sibategeera bulungi mpozi nze nandowoozezza nti oba mu kuwandiika nga yawuubwamu enamba.
Her mom would act real nonchalant. And when I say nonchalant, that means like, she says basically, y'all grown. I don't got nothing to do with this fraud. I don't got nothing to do with it. I honestly want justice, and I want everybody to know what type of woman she is with the scamming and fraud and everything. And I also want justice to be served. And I also want to be compensated back from the fraud of everything she took from me on false pretense.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.